So the rain finally came. It's pretty bad. It's a huge thunderstorm. So look at the water leaving.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Kentucky Travels. Let me show you around our campsite. So right here, we're at Otter Creek Campground, and we're gonna kick off our night with a steak cookout. And I got my Battle Box tent over here, and Dalton's got his nice fancy woman tent over here. So let's get this party started.
Hey, didn't see you there. You see me cutting down useless trees that really weren't in my way. I just like the aesthetic. Adrian already introduced ourselves. Welcome to, Kentucky Travels, episode 17. We're at the campground. Adrian already introduced it, but I was going to show you again. Right here, we got my quote-unquote woman tent, but I like to call it the circus tent because it's like the brightest thing in this forest. And if you come close, we're about to do some cooking here, getting some beef going. That's gonna be really good. We got a nice cooler full of soda pops, am I right?
Right.
Like I'm insinuating anything, there's nothing in here. We got a lot of sparkling water and MREs.
Yep.
And then last but not least, I kinda like it, but doesn't it not look like a brown coffin?
Hey, it's stealth.
Still.
Survival.
I tripped on it this earlier.
Alright guys, today for our meal tonight, we're going to do a little Pioneers cookout. This is what I'm calling it. We got our meat right here, this meat chops. That's all you really need for a camp out setting. Smaller pieces of meat cook easier. Our recipe is we're going to use olive oil to help it not burn and char. And we got our seasonings here, maple rub seasoning, and we got a garlic barbecue. You might be thinking, how are we going to get this fire started? Thanks to Battle Box, we got these matches right here, and since we don't have a regular spatula, we're going to use my Battle Box utility knife here just to stir the meat up. So let's get this grill started.
Now, if you listen closely to the background, you can hear the chanting and screaming of a whole bunch of people doing rituals in the back.
Holy crap.
That is awfully loud. That does make me uncomfortable. But it's probably the campground or it's the Children of the Corn. Which one? I don't know. Shh. Don't be doing that. They probably can't hear you. Yeah, could you imagine though?
Look.
Yeah, I see them. The kids are surrounding us. You can hear the children's screams.
The freaking corn.
Yeah, Children of the Corn. You can hear the kids cheering and screaming all around us in the woods. Can you imagine if we get back up there to the check-in booth and they're like, "Hey, were y'all the ones making all that noise up there?" Like, what are you talking about? Oh, we heard a bunch of kids screaming. I thought that was y'all. No. Attempt 1. If this doesn't burn, I don't know what will. Come on. Zooey mama. That was supposed to happen. Bro, I think me and you got it on first try. I hope.
A wingo up, a wingo up, a wingo up.
A wingo up. Yay! I'm not. We'll get it, bro.
Ah, the smell.
God. That's the good kush, bro.
A few moments later.
The struggle's real, guys. Here's our progress on the fire so far. This is like at 5 or 6. I'm trying to get it lit. It's 10 o'clock and we're really trying to get some food going. Glistening, it looks beautiful. And we are under like some sort of time crunch here. We're trying to beat the storm, and apparently we're supposed to get a thunderstorm in a couple hours, so we're really cutting it close. That's gonna be good. Now this is something you see straight from Master Chef. This is looking good. Now, Adrian, you look like Salt Bae with the white t-shirt. I just noticed that. Do the little finesse thing that Salt Bae does. There it is. It is officially on the grill. Watch your hand. It was like a little hibachi. Woo! Little hibachi grill. That's an aesthetic. That's. All right. Food review right here. What do we got? What's it taste like?
Good.
All right, welcome to Daltini's Food Review. All right, here we go. Holy.
So what do you think about my cooking?
That's awesome. 10 out of 10.
Bravo 6. Going dark.
What was that? Who goes there? Just noise. Must have been nothing. Huh? There's some prowling around here. Must be my imagination.
All right. It's early in the morning. It's 7. No rain has hit the campground yet, so we get to go on a quick hike and beat the rain. Hopefully it doesn't pour down in an hour or so. So we're gonna start walking right now to Morgan's Cave. So hopefully we can find a cool entrance or at least get to see the front. So I guess let's head out. Still kind of on the hunt for Morgan's Cave right now. We're in the middle of the woods. It looks like we might get a rain soon on top of us. But we're hoping we can beat it and find this cave before it's too late. We were trying to find this cave. We followed our gut. Oh shit. There's somebody there. Oh.
It's something.
I heard some.
What was the general's name?
James Hunt.
General James Hunt. Come out with your hands up. You're part of the Union Army.
Dang, I wish we had a brighter flashlight.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that too. I'm not kidding. I heard
somebody groaning.
a skirt. I heard footsteps in the cave. It could have been anything. It could have been small critters. I know, it's weird.
Let's follow this trail, see where it goes.
Maybe it'll be an easier way.